Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Daniel Postulka recording for CargoForwarder, the news for the air cargo industry. And next to me is Robert Bawn. He's Director Air Cargo and Car Park Logistics at Lödige Industry. Hello.
Hello.
Mr. Bawn, what does Lödige Industry offer to the air cargo industry?
Lödige is a market leader in air cargo systems, offering a turnkey solution to customers, basically from the early stages, from the planning through to design, manufacture, installation, commissioning, and handover, and then supporting the customer after sales. So basically a turnkey solution, the whole package.
But you are manufacturers as well. Can you say what you produce?
Lödige is probably the only air cargo supplier that still manufactures. We manufacture in two places. Our key equipment, elevating transfer vehicles, lifts, stacker cranes, these are built at our plant in Germany. We have a second manufacturing plant in Romania where truck docks, turntables, right angle decks, that type of equipment is manufactured.
All right. And who are your customers?
Our customers are airlines, cargo handlers, logistic providers. These are the main customers.
And which is your position in the global market?
Lödige operates globally, so we have subsidiaries in many countries. We cover the American markets, the European markets, and also the Asian market. So we basically have subsidiaries. We have about 1,000 employees worldwide, so we can offer solutions and support customers worldwide.
So, as you have a worldwide overview, can you tell me what are the tendencies, which tendencies do you see in the air cargo market?
The air cargo market is a changing market. Customers that operate a multi-hub type principle, where they have lots of individual setups, that's changing to some respects, like in the USA, where a lot of airlines are handing over their business to small ground handlers. The ground handlers are picking up quite a bit of business. Other countries, like in the Middle East and also in Asia, are building major hubs with big infrastructure, high performances, and are using then at the other airports simple, small ground handlers with basic equipment. And then we have customers who have a fixed hub with old equipment. They know they need to do something, but are investing money in their planes and in fuel. And the solution there, which is something we've been doing for a few years, is basically a refurbishment of the system. And that's a cheaper solution to obviously building a new hub, and it enables them to keep up with their competitors.
So what effects do these changes have on your business, and what are your main targets?
I suppose the effects to our business is to look after all this, the range of customers. That's the biggest challenge. It's the challenge Lödige has, to look after the small ground handlers with individual items of equipment, to looking after big customers, building big hubs, whereas a very large financial issue is. Obviously the banks of today are not very easy to motivate to provide these finance, to finance these projects, but most businesses have that problem. So I suppose that's our main challenge, looking after the small customers and looking after the big customer.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bawn, for this interview.
Thank you very much for your time.